Hey guys, check out this little table or stool, not really sure, plant stand maybe even. We are going to flip this today.
As far as repairs go, this really didn't need any. I did need to add a screw to one of the legs. All of my prep work was done off camera. I cleaned, sanded, and then cleaned again. I'm using this Rust-Oleum milk paint called Navy. With some brands of milk paint, they come pre-mixed. This is one of those brands. Milk paint is kind of a thinner paint, but this brand, I feel like it is a little bit more thicker and has better coverage than other brands that I have tried. I painted the underside and I needed to do about 3 coats to get full coverage with this paint. To make this flip even quicker, I'm using my hair dryer and I'm drying all that paint in between coats. And then I flipped it over and I did 3 coats on the top and dried all my coats in between with my hair dryer. I'm using the stencil and it looks kind of nautical to me, almost like a compass or something like that. So I'm trying to do my best to center it in the middle and I'm using some painter's tape to secure it into place so it doesn't move or shift. I'm using this color called Plaster by Waverly and a sea sponge. I'm using a very small amount of paint and tapping off any excess and offloading the paint because I don't want any bleed through underneath of my stencil. So that is an important step, is offloading any excess paint. I am gently tapping straight down onto the stencil until I have the stencil pattern completely filled in with paint. If you're concerned about getting any paint off of the side of the stencil, you can use painter's tape around all 4 sides. That way, that will protect it if you accidentally get some paint off the side of the stencil. And then once it's completely filled in, just slowly remove it and look at your beautiful stenciled image. I figured the easiest way to seal this with the legs would be using a spray product. So I'm using a spray lacquer and I have it flipped over and I'm going to spray the whole bottom side first. And I'm doing 2 coats of the spray lacquer on the bottom and I did 3 coats of the spray lacquer on the top. And that was pretty much it, you guys. Let's have a quick look at the before we check out the final reveal. I think it's super cute, very beachy, very coastal, and I love it. Easy project and good one to do in the house when it's cold outside. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and I hope you are inspired today. I hope you enjoyed this flip, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. See y'all in the next one.